Do you have an Apple Watch and would love to turn off the Apple Watch? Basically here, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off Apple Watch Series 9, and this also works on Apple Watch Series 10. So basically, most all of the Apple Watches have the same means of turning off the smart device. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off your Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Series 10, you want to turn to the control side button just beneath the digital crown. So this is your digital crown. If you press this, this is going to take you to the app menu. However, if you press and hold the button, which is the control center button on your Apple Watch, you press and hold it, this is going to pop menu to slide and power off your Apple Watch. So go ahead, press and hold the control center button for about 2 to 3 seconds on your Apple Watch. Then you're gonna feel the haptics, and once you feel the haptics, for you to turn off your Apple Watch, locate the power button at the top right, click on it. Then here you're gonna see power off. Now to power off, just complete the slider like this, and then you should see your Apple Watch power off. So if you go ahead, press the two crown, then your Apple Watch is now powered off. So that is basically how to turn off Apple Watch Series 9 as well as Apple Watch Series 10. So if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.